Don't ever mispronounce these words again. Temperature. The degree or intensity of heat present in a substance or object, especially as expressed according to a comparative scale and shown by a thermometer or perceived by touch. Temperature. Colonel. An army officer of high rank, in particular, in the U.S. Army, Air Force, and Marine Corps, an officer above a lieutenant colonel and below a brigadier general. Colonel. Rural. In, relating to, or characteristic of the countryside rather than the town. Rural. Phenomenon. A fact or situation that is observed to exist or happen, especially one whose cause or explanation is in question. Phenomenon. Worcestershire. A savory sauce of vinegar and soy sauce and spices. Worcestershire. Mischievous. Causing or showing a fondness for causing trouble in a playful way. Mischievous. Specific. Clearly defined or identified. Specific. Otorhinolaryngology. The study of diseases of the ear, nose, and throat. Otorhinolaryngology. Anemone. Derived from Greek, which means windflower. The name comes from the fact that the delicate flowers are blown open by the wind, which in turn blows away the dead petals as well. Anemone. Synecdoche. A figure of speech in which a part is made to represent the whole or vice versa. Synecdoche. Draft. A cold burst of wind, a swig or a serving of a drink, the act of pulling a heavy load, and the depth of a ship below the surface of the water. Draft. Ignominious. Deserving or causing public disgrace or shame. Ignominious. Onomatopoeia. The formation of a word from a sound associated with what is named, for example cuckoo, sizzle. Onomatopoeia. Quinoa. A goosefoot found in the Andes, where it was widely cultivated for its edible starchy seeds before the introduction of Old World grains. Quinoa. Successful. Having achieved popularity, profit, or distinction. Successful. Sixth. Constituting number 6 in a sequence, sixth. Sixth. Scissors. An instrument used for cutting cloth, paper, and other thin material, consisting of two blades laid one on top of the other and fastened in the middle so as to allow them to be opened and closed by a thumb and finger inserted through rings on the end of their handles. Scissors. Isthmus. A narrow strip of land with sea on either side, forming a link between two larger areas of land. Isthmus. Squirrel. An agile tree-dwelling rodent with a bushy tail, typically feeding on nuts and seeds. Squirrel. Often. Frequently, many times. Often. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Wizard Online YouTube channel for more video tutorials.